Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about TikTok and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok. And here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.